All right, kiddos, PYP for today is a lot of fun. I think you're actually really going to enjoy it. And on top of everything else, at the end, you get this really cool picture. So it's a win-win. So first things first, I want you to look over our target. Our target today is talking about what an environment is and why they're so important for organisms. Okay? Your job is to show me a picture or 7 pictures of the different environments we're going to talk about today. Okay, so make sure you pay extra close attention to this video because it has your target and your materials list. Scrolling right on down, our second video talks about what an environment is. Why do we need to know this? Okay, you're going to name one thing an environment can provide for an organism. One thing. So I'm just going to give you a freebie. That means if anyone responds with something that's like doesn't make any sense, like just a bunch of letters, not okay, because here's a freebie. Shelter. An environment can provide shelter for an organism. Okay, now there are 7 videos following this that tell you a little bit about each of the 7 environments we're talking about. As we go through this, I show you which picture I'm drawing and where I'm drawing it, and you can either do it in the same spot or a different spot, or the same picture or a different picture. It's up to you. Now, if you do not have this, that's okay. All you need is a blank piece of paper with 7 boxes. That's it. Just 7 boxes, and you're going to draw a little picture in each one. Once you've finished watching all 7 videos, you're going to find your way to Seesaw. And once you get to Seesaw, you are going to add response. And how you're going to do this? Here's your picture. You're going to click on the photo. And I don't think it's going to let this, I don't think it'll work. Yeah. So that's because I'm using the camera for the video. But you're going to take your picture, make sure I can see it, and then you're going to put your picture on top of mine and turn it in. Okay? Hopefully this all makes sense. Hopefully you guys have fun. I really enjoyed this. It was a lot of coloring. It was a lot of learning about new places. So hopefully you guys enjoy, and we will talk to you later.